didn't miss out on purchasing something because this build is about to go down. my very first ever custom PC build. Here it is for you guys on display. It does not have the tempered glass side panel. Currently, the door, I took it off the hinge. I'm gonna put it back on once I move it into the nerd cave. And in the next video, I'm going to tear down my current desk setup and then figure out how exactly I want to do the new one. I'm excited. It was harder and easier than I thought it would be, both. Just figuring out where some of the stuff plugged in, I had to read manuals for so long, and recording all of this took me around like 13 hours. So recording the parts list and getting everything organized, recording the build, changing stuff. I had to change my fan configuration multiple times because I didn't like the way it looked at one point. Then I tried to change it. Then I forgot my radiator wouldn't fit at the bottom, so then I had to change it again. So it was just a lot. But for the most part, putting it together was pretty easy. The cable management is a mess right now because having these extra fans and me only having one 5-volt ARGB header on my motherboard means that all of those fans, these 3 plus those 6, are all tied to one device that plugs into the motherboard. And so there were so many like daisy chains and loops of wires that it just kind of created a mess. But that's going to do it for me in this video, guys. If you like this video, feel free to hit that thumbs up button down below. And while you're down there, let me know in the comment section, what do you think of my build? Like, how do you think it looks? How do you think it turned out? If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can stay in the know of all the nerdy. And hit that bell notification. And be sure to share this video and my channel with anybody that you think may enjoy. But as always, guys, remember, keep it nerdy.